What's up, doll collectors, gift givers, and Harry Potter fans? Today, we are adding to our Harry Potter collection. We have Luna Lovegood, Snape, and the Lord Voldemort Harry Potter combo pack. We bought all of these dolls on Amazon for $19.99, $49.99, and $19.99. It took a minute to get all three. I started looking around October 7th. That's when I got Luna Lovegood. And Snape just arrived like yesterday. Just looking at the boxes, the packaging looks pretty standard for Snape and Luna. However, the box with Lord Voldemort and Harry Potter looks nice and square. We have nice, neat lines. But boy, does that Harry Potter look familiar. Let's start the unboxing off with Luna Lovegood, because she is literally one of my favorite characters. And yes, I'm being biased. We can see that she comes with some fun accessories. There is a picture of the actress at the bottom. On the back of the box, there is a full image of the doll. And on the side, it says, Luna Lovegood is a quirky student from Ravenclaw. Luna's eccentricities often make her a target of pranks from her fellow students. But her fierce loyalty and unique perspective make her a true friend and a voice of reason for Harry Potter. At the bottom of the box, we can see a few other dolls in this line. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Here's the thing that I got out of the box. It is possible to balance her to stand on her own. She has blonde hair pulled back into a ponytail. Her face paint looks really good and clean. I like that soft lip color. She wears a pink plaid jacket with a large collar. The edges are like singed, so they don't have to be hemmed. There are silver buttons going down the front. We have some little pockets right here on the sides, pleats at the bottom, and it velcros in the front. The pattern continues onto the back. Underneath the jacket, she wears a strapless dress. It is black with little moons and rabbits and balloons on it. Lots of print and fun there. She wears blue tights with an elastic waistband. The bottom of the tights are multicolored and they're scrunched, so it looks kind of like leg warmers. She wears pink boots with burgundy painted details. They are nice and flat on the bottom, which helps to balance her to stand. I'm not sure if this was done on purpose, but it is easy to remove her hands. She carries a brown wand that can be attached to her finger so the doll can hold it. She also comes with a pair of glasses to see things the normal eye can't see, and a copy of the Quibbler. There's an image on one side. It is just paperboard on the back. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, the hip, and the knee. Standing a little under 10 inches tall. I think she is absolutely adorable. And then there's Snape. Severus Snape. Please forgive me if my pronunciations are not perfect. Get it? Prefect? Perfect? What? Okay, no, just me. On the bottom of the box, we can see the actor. On the back, there's a full-size picture of the doll. And on the side, it says, as head of the Slytherin house and the potions master for Harry Potter's first 5 years at Hogwarts, Severus Snape finds his loyalties constantly in question by Harry. Only through viewing Snape's memories does Harry learn the truth about his motives. Out of the box, he can also be balanced to stand. He has a very serious look on his face with dark sculpted hair. I know this might not be a popular opinion, but personally, I like sculpted hair on dolls when it's a short haircut. It stays neat and it doesn't stick out. He wears a long black robe. It has large arm cutouts and is removable. He wears a dark blue top with a slit in the front. It velcros in the back. There are white cuffs on the sleeves. It goes all the way up to the neck. and has faux black buttons going down the front. I absolutely love faux buttons, and it would be so cool if some of these details transferred over into the fashionistas. Just saying. He wears black pants that Velcro in the back. And check that out, he has a broadkin body, and he finishes his look with a pair of black boots. This doll does come with a black wand, is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, come on, I know you can bend, see, elbow. This one just is a little stuck, probably gotta turn it, there we go. Elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. So if you're looking for an articulated broadkin, he's your man. I really like Snape. He is definitely an important character in the Harry Potter world and a must-have for my collection. Last but not least, here is the Lord Voldemort Harry Potter set. Their names are printed in a gold foil on the box. You can see both characters at the bottom. On the back of the box, we can see Lord Voldemort and Harry Potter about to duel it out. And at the bottom of the box, when Harry Potter and Lord Voldemort face off in Little Hangleton, a fierce battle ensues and their wands collide in a rare Priori Incantatem reverse spell effect. Harry manages to escape with his life. But this dramatic duel marks a turning point in the story of The Boy Who Lived. Out of the box, we get one doll stand, but there's two dolls. The doll stand looks like it's sized for Lord Voldemort. I'm guessing he got a doll stand because he's not wearing any shoes, whereas Harry has large black shoes that make it possible to balance him to stand. But still, I would have liked two doll stands. This Harry Potter looks just like the one we got last time from when we reviewed Cedric and Harry. Yep, it's the same one. Red and black shirts with a symbol on the chest, brown wands, glasses, black pants, black shoes. He has sculpted hair and his glasses fit in between his hair and his face. He's fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. As an adult collector who collects all of the Harry Potter dolls, I'm not totally excited about getting a repeat doll in order to get Lord Voldemort. Personally, I would have preferred if he was sold by himself or maybe with another character that we haven't seen yet, like the snake or maybe the rat guy. What was his name? Pettigrew? Lord Voldemort has a pretty cool face sculpt. The paint for his eyes and the little black colored veins, it is a little pixelated, but he's rocking a nice little bald head. A bald kin is totally on my wish list. Just, not quite like this. His skin is a grayish green color. He has fingernails, wears a black robe that is attached to his shirt. It's like a long sleeveless shirt that goes all the way to the ground. I would have preferred if these were two separate pieces. It opens in the front with snaps, and he wears black pants with an elastic waistband underneath. He has the same broad body as Snape, fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. And I noticed that all of their hands are a little rubbery, which makes it a lot easier to get the wand on the thumb. But I'm also guessing that if you leave that wand there for a long period of time, it might leave an indentation. I really like how all the dolls in this collection are fully articulated. Luna has great details. There are adult characters and teens. I really hope that we see more characters in doll form, like the Divinations Professor played by Emma Thompson, Dean Thomas, and all of the Weasleys. We need them all. If you are not a Harry Potter fan, there are definitely some possibilities for body swaps. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about the Triwizard Cup. This is also a repeat item, however, it does have a different finish. This one is very metallic, while the first one was a pearly gray color. I totally like this one better. And I'm loving the shape of this box. Let's see if we can work our magic on it. Voila! Not too bad, if I do say so myself. I am forever stuck with Lord Voldemort and Harry Potter on the front, so I guess this is going to be a Harry Potter themed store. We made this storefront using our DIY shop window display video, which makes it pretty easy to turn a doll box into a storefront. Now we're going to use the body forms that we made in our Disney Descendants 2 Eevees for Hearts studio video. We can dress them up with some of our Harry Potter clothing, place them inside of the display, place a small table in between them. I bought it on Amazon and it broke, so this is the perfect place for it. Add the broom from our YouTube Live and the sorting hat from a previous video from our mashup Harry Potter Crafts video. I use poster putty to add a few loose pages onto the back wall, place a toy owl at the bottom with the Triwizard Cup to add a brand new store to our little shopping plaza. Thank you for joining us while we added to our Harry Potter collection. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
No, you wouldn't take what's not yours. If you know